One thing I think is happening here is, I think when I floor that pedal, this thing isn't going open all the way, like way back to there, and that's what works the accelerator pump. And you need a little gas down in there to get it to crank. So I might need to adjust this thing here. All right, let's try it. When in doubt, I could always splash a little ether over in there. I think I'll do that. Other thing I didn't think about too much is this car could be out of gas. I don't think the car's been driven a lot, especially now when we're just coming off of winter. I'm willing to guess it's sat in his garage and got out very little between the last time I was down here and we worked on it. Driving it a little bit will help bring her back to life a little bit. I'll see if I can get with this goofy old gas can that I got. Yeah, we get nothing out of that. It's one of them where you have to work that handle to get gas to come out of it. And just for good measure, we'll give it a little squirt of some starter fluid. Oh, just for fun. That should do it. Oh, she sounds rough, but that's not unusual for one that's been sitting a while. Like I say, she probably needs to be driven a goodly bit. Oh, don't you, girl? Yeah, you need some love. Oh, joy. I was thinking I had an old